Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about switch statement, which is the best alternative of if else if statement. So by using switch keyword, and here is the condition or expression, and case 1, case 2, and this is the default value. FMT print ln, copy the statement and also here. One, two, and this is default. So you can simply run this program, and here is the default value, because 5 is not equal to 1 and 5 also not equal to 2, so the result is default. If I put 1, then here is the 1, because case 1 is equal to 1. So you can also put here expression like create a variable I, and I is equal to 1 plus 2, and here I. Run the program, and the value that is printed is default. And let's suppose 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now 2 is here. You can also assign multiple cases like match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So value is between 1 to 5, and here value is between 6 to 10. Now run the program, and value is between 1 to 5. Let's suppose 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and value is between 6 to 10. Let's suppose 5 in both cases, like here 5, you will face error because it is not allowed duplicate case 5 in switch. So here put unique values in case 1 and in case 2. You can also put the break keyword after first case in here. Break keyword value is between 6 to 10. Let's suppose 1 plus 1, and here run the program. Value is between 1 to 10. If first case is matched with the I, then no need to check this case. So put break in the end of first case. And here you can also like I is equal to 5, and here case 1 is I less than is equal to 10, or I is less than is equal to 20. So value of I is less than 10, value of I is less than 20, run the program, and value of I is less than 10. If I remove break keyword, then both, so first case is printed, and here I is less than is equal to 20 is not printed automatically by Go language. So if you want to print both messages, then use keyword fall through, and now run the program. Both messages are here, value is less than 10 and value is less than 20. Now we are using switch statement in this our real life example, like create a variable that is I, or any other variable you can create. Interface means you can store any type of data in it, and here is one which is integer type, switch statement, and I dot type block of code. And so here case, if data type is integer, then execute this case, print ln int type I is int type. If type is string, then you can say that fmt print ln I is string type, and float 32, then we can say that print ln, and here I is float 32 type, and we can also mention default here, fmt print there is, and our default case. Remove this message and run this project. We have error unexpected new line expecting, put colon here, and again run the program. I is integer type. If you assign the value of I is Pakistan, then run the program. I is string, and if you want to assign like 4.4, then run the program. Default case, because, or change it 64. I is float 64 bit type, and you can use switch statement by using this way. Thank you for watching this video.